Wind noise in the Ford Bronco is a common issue that stems directly from the frameless window design and rubber weather stripping. Fixing this requires a simple adjustment to the window pitch rather than replacing expensive seals. You can perform this entire calibration right in your driveway with basic hand tools. A properly seated window glass creates a tight seal against the upper weather strip to eliminate highway howling. The first step requires removing the interior door panel to access the window regulator adjustment bolts. Carefully pop off the plastic trim pieces using a non-marring pry tool to reveal the hidden Torx screws. Lift the door panel upward and away from the frame to unhook it from the top ledge. Keep track of all electrical connectors for the window switches and door locks before setting the panel aside. Behind the door panel, locate the two lower adjustment bolts at the base of the window glass tracks. These specific bolts control the inward and outward pitch of the window glass against the roof seal. Loosening these fasteners slightly allows the glass track to tilt inward towards the vehicle cabin. Only a minor millimeter adjustment is necessary to significantly increase the sealing pressure at the top edge. With the bolts slightly loose, apply gentle but firm inward pressure on the top of the window glass. Tighten the adjustment bolts back down while holding this inward pressure to lock the new pitch angle in place. Shut the door carefully and inspect the compression of the rubber seal along the entire upper edge. The glass should tuck firmly under the weather stripping flap without pinching or folding the rubber material. Another critical area to check is the window reset calibration, which ensures the glass rolls up to the exact correct height. Sit inside the vehicle with the doors closed and the ignition turned to the accessory position. Roll the window completely down and hold the switch down for 3 seconds. Roll the window completely up and hold the switch up for 3 seconds to teach the motor its new upper limit. Testing the adjustment involves driving the vehicle at highway speeds to listen for any remaining wind intrusion. A successful adjustment will result in a completely quiet cabin, free of the annoying whistle or rushing air sound. Performing this driveway fix restores the comfort of your daily commute and saves you an expensive trip to the dealership. Proper seal maintenance and correct window pitch will keep your Bronco cabin quiet for miles to come.